Assamese community living in the capital complex of Arunachal Pradesh staged a peaceful sit-in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Act in the IG Park tennis court in Itanagar yesterday. The protesters vented out their anger and frustration at the centre over the law, saying it would adversely impact the people of Assam and all other northeastern states, according to reports. Bangladesh Foreign Minister A.K. Abdul Momen said the volatile situation in India that arose after the Citizenship Amendment Act is likely to affect its neighbours. However, he added that the CAA and the National Register of Citizens are India's internal affair. The 28th Assam Masters Athletes Meet scheduled to be held at Bokaghat in Golaghat district has been postponed indefinitely. The athletes meet was scheduled to be held from December 27 to 30th next. As per media report, the decision was taken by the Assam Masters Athletes Association with respect to the prevailing situation in the state. Both BJP and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha Congress RJD alliance are in a neck-and-neck contest in Jharkhand, while Chief Minister Raghubar Das is leading from Jamshedpur East. Gathbandhan's CM candidate Hemant Soren is trailing from Dumka. Counting of votes for 81-member House began today at 8 a.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today drew similarities between Diwali and Hanukkah, a 8-day Jewish festival, as he sent across greetings to Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and the people of the country. Prime Minister Modi and Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu are seen by many as sharing a close personal relationship. 18 Indians kidnapped by pirates from a commercial vessel near the Nigerian coast on December 3 have been released, the Indian mission in Nigeria said. The Indian nationals were kidnapped from a Hong Kong-flagged vessel off the Bonny Island after a group of pirates took control of it.